Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to deposit into your Gemini account step by step in the easiest and safest way possible. Now, I say safest because like with any kind of financial transaction, there's always the risk of something going wrong. And one of the ways that I choose to mitigate that risk is through using a VPN or virtual private network. Now, there's a whole host of options out there. My personal choice is ExpressVPN. They're one of the best and well-known out there. And if you sign up using the link in the description below, you can score yourself a free 49% off or a free 3 months, depending on which plan you decide to go with. And in addition to increasing your security, you'll also help to support the channel in the process. So if you do choose to do that, you can add this little Chrome extension here. It'll pop up and you can choose whichever location you want to connect to, turn that guy on, and you will be protected. Now that you're all protected, let's talk about how to deposit into Gemini. And you've got a couple of different options at your disposal. One, you can just deposit cash directly from your bank account into your Gemini account. Two, you could use the cash in your bank account to directly buy cryptocurrency on Gemini. Or three, you could transfer in external cryptocurrency that you have, say in Coinbase, MetaMask, Binance, directly into your Gemini account. So for this video, we're just going to focus on the first option there of how to deposit cash into your Gemini account. But if you're interested in the other options as well, we have videos on those on our channel for your convenience. So it's a pretty simple process to deposit into Gemini. What you're going to do is start by clicking this transfer button over here. You're going to press deposit into Gemini. You're going to select your currency, which in this case will be the US dollar. For your transfer method, you'll select your either bank transfer, an ACH transfer, or a wire transfer. Now, the difference between these two is mostly that the limit is different and that the amount of time it takes is different. So with a bank transfer, you're limited to $25,000 per day. As you can see, I've already used a little bit of my limit today. With a wire transfer, there's no limit, but it is going to take 1 to 2 business days for that cash to settle. So we'll just go with the bank transfer to make things easier. And for your payment method, you'll need to link a bank account. If you haven't done that yet, we have a video right up here that'll walk you through how to do that, but you'll just link that account, click on it right here and press continue. Now you'll choose the amount you want to deposit. So for our example, we'll just use $100. We'll press continue. You can see a summary of your information here. You'll press confirm. And now that cash should enter our Gemini account. It says deposit has been initiated. If you come to your portfolio here, you should be able to scroll down and see, boom, we now have $100 US in our Gemini account. Wonderful. Now you've deposited cash into your Gemini account. The next logical step is to buy some cryptocurrency. So you can check out this video somewhere on the screen that's going to walk you through how to turn that US dollar you just deposited into cryptocurrency by trading on the Gemini platform. So check that video out and I'll see you over there.